Seasonings, something humans have been using for millennia. Beyond the common salt and pepper, vinegar, lemon juices, paprika, sugar, honey, and infused oil are all popular examples of seasoning. In fact, it's estimated that there are over 300 seasonings used in the world, according to the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry. Many spices have antimicrobial properties which inhibit the growth of bacteria and hence extend the shelf life of meat. In addition, spices like cloves and nutmeg possess antioxidant properties and help masking off-putting flavors and smell in slightly spoiled meat. Over time, however, the focus shifts from mere survival to enjoyment. Trade routes like the Silk Road thrive on the exchange of spices and transformed cuisine. In ancient times, seasonings were not just for flavors, but also for their economic value. In ancient Rome, for example, pepper was considered black gold, a prized possession used by the wealthy to display their status. In Egypt, they used spices in mummies to help preserve the body. And in Aztec culture, chili peppers were considered a sacred food with medicinal properties and symbolized strength and courage. So, how do seasonings make our food more flavorful? Seasonings contain a variety of volatile compounds, essentially tiny flavor molecules that readily evaporate. These molecules would travel to your olfactory receptors in your nose and integrate the smell with the actual taste on your tongue. This is known as the olfactory gustatory pathway. The taste receptors on our tongue's taste bud detect 5 tastes: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and savory. Seasonings can stimulate these receptors directly, leading to the perception of different tastes. There are several ways our ancestors discovered seasonings. Certain plants have strong aromas, and early humans may have experimented with them to enhance the taste of food. Or some early documentation suggests that hunters and gatherers wrap meat in the leaf of bushes, which accidentally discovered that this process enhanced the taste of the meat. Another possible explanation is observation from animals. Early humans may have noticed animals licking raw faces for salt and minerals, which lead to humans starting to consume salt. Climate also plays a significant role on what type of seasonings are used. For example, in hot climates like Indians, spices with antibacterial properties like chilies, ginger, and garlic are often used. In colder climates like the Scandinavia, there's less reliance on spices, so the focus is on fresh ingredients with seasonings like parsley to add a subtle flavor. In the Columbian exchange, Christopher Columbus Voges opened a direct trade route between the Americas, Europe, and Asia. Europeans were introduced to chilies, tomatoes, potatoes, and a variety of beans from the Americas. Portugal and Spain were the leading explorers and gained control of previously established spice routes to Asia. The trade not only exchanged spices, but also culinary knowledge and traditions. The Industrial Revolution during the 18th century then allowed mass production and processing possible. With the help of machines and efficient transportation systems, spices were widely distributed and became more affordable. If you want to see more videos like this, feel free to hit the subscribe button and we will see you next time.